Good morning, fellas. I'm Sara Arellano, your cooking instructor for this morning. So, for now, I'm going to teach you how to cook a fish steak. For the ingredients, fish, cooking oil, onion and garlic, pepper, soy sauce and vinegar, and water. So first, fry the fish. 3 minutes for each side. While frying the fish, you can cook the other ingredients in another pan. Put a bit of oil. Put the garlic, the onion, and stir it. When the garlic and onion are done to cook, put the soy sauce, the vinegar, the water, and stir it. The soy sauce and vinegar's amount is depend on the amount of the fish. You can also add the pepper for the additional taste. Then stir it again. Check your fried fish and let the other side of the fish cook for another 2 minutes. If the fish is done, put it in another pan where the sauce is. Don't stir it to avoid the fish turn into pieces. Let it simmer. When the fish is already done, you can now finally serve it. It is better to eat the fish steak if it's hot. It is easy to do, so try it now.